What if a single teacher could shape 1,000 futures? What if education wasn't just about lessons, but about creating change makers, dreamers, and doers? At the School of Education and Humanities, Manav Rachna University, we nurture educators into visionaries who can transform classrooms and through them, the world. Here, learning begins with curiosity and grows with compassion. Students discover the art of teaching that blends empathy with innovation. Because true education isn't about answers, it's about asking the right questions. Recognized by the International Baccalaureate Organization, our programs open doors to global teaching opportunities from the primary years to the Diploma program. With IB educator certificates and academic partnerships worldwide, our students become educators who are truly global ready. With Manav Rachna's network of 8 CBSE and 2 IB schools, students gain first-hand classroom experience through internships, mentoring, and collaborative teaching. Here, learning meets practice with enhanced AI tools, project-based learning, and digital portfolios that prepare them for the classrooms of tomorrow. Education here crosses disciplines, from design thinking to data analytics, from economics to finance.
Hi, I'm Zoya Munir, a student of B.Ed with specialization in IB. When I first joined this course, I just had one thing in mind. I didn't want my classrooms to look like the traditional classroom that I grew up in. I wanted them to be a space where the child could explore, experiment, and inquire. This course has been a roller coaster ride for me.
Our educators continue to learn too, upskilling through collaborations with global universities like Oxford. Our philosophy aligns with UN SDG 4, Quality Education for All. With inclusive learning and research-driven initiatives, we empower future educators to uplift every learner and every community.
Faculty upskilling is at the core of our academic culture. Our educators are encouraged to explore, innovate, and grow. Through different professional development programs, collaborative research, and global learning opportunities, ensuring that our students' experience is the best in contemporary education.
Through the Manav Rachna Center for Advanced Learning and the Manav Rachna Center for Peace and Sustainability, we blend knowledge, ethics, and research to promote impactful, value-based education that shapes peaceful, sustainable communities. Strong industry linkages, experiential projects, and dedicated placement support ensure our graduates shine across schools and organizations worldwide. Whether your dream is to teach in an international classroom or to innovate within the Indian education system, your journey begins here.